Another science experiment, boys and girls. This is tons of fun. Get a mason jar or a vase. This is what I had. So anyway, we're just going to use this. Another cup and food coloring. Here's all you do. Oh, and vegetable oil. Just some cheap vegetable oil. Take it and pour it in the glass like this. Whoop! I might have used too much. Then your child or you can, one at a time, put a couple drops, or not, or not.
It's been a while since we used it.
I will go grab another blue one. Here we go. There's some blue, and we have some yellow. 1, 2, 3, or 4. And we have green, my favorite color. Plop it in. Some stayed at the top, some went to the bottom. Another experiment, and then red. How cool that is. Then, take a spoon, fork, stir, 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 stir. You may have to put in. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Just keep mixing, keep mixing. Maybe we'll count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I wonder what's going to happen with the oil and the water. Will they go together? Will the oil go to the bottom or stay on the top? And you just pour the oil. Where did the oil go, boys and girls? Did it stay at the top? It did, because it's lighter. Oil is lighter than water. And now it should start to happen. Let's see if it's going to come through.
Oh, I see something, Miss Kelly.
Boys and girls, can you see right here? What's coming through? Thank you, Miss Ann. Can you see the food coloring falling? And maybe I should have put more in. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll drop one on top. It's actually coming through.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, look.
Yes. What
Look
colors do you see?
I see green coming through the oil.
Whoa.
And blue and red. Can you see it, boys and girls? Is that so fun? What does it look like to you, boys and girls?
Whoa.
Yeah.
Do you see any yellow, Miss Kelly?
Good question, Miss Ann. Do not see any yellow falling from the oil. That is interesting. I'm going to turn it a little bit to see. I see a lot of green.
Yeah.
I will put a few drops on top. Let's see if it falls through.
Sure.
Okay. I put some yellow on top. Let's see if it's going to come through. Well, I don't know if we'll be able to see it now, Miss Ann, because that blue. That's our science experiment, boys and girls. Isn't that so fun? Water, vegetable oil. You mix the food coloring and the vegetable oil, and then dump it on top.
What if you mix it up, Miss Kelly? What will happen now?
All right, Miss Ann.
I'm just curious.
I wonder what color. Maybe purple.
I don't know.
Maybe it'll turn rainbow.
I don't know.
Let's see. I'm going to mix it up. I wonder if the oil will stay at the top or get mixed in. Let's see.
Oh. Miss Kelly's favorite color, green.
I see. It turned green. Where'd the oil go? Oh, man, it's back at the top, boys and girls. That oil keeps coming right back to the top. Nice. Well, we did it. Boys and girls, another science experiment to do at home. Have a good day. Enjoy it. It's lots of fun. Bye.